Let's write the code for this question. Accept a real number x as input and print the greatest integer less than or equals to x on the first line, followed by the smallest integer greater than or equal to x on the second line. So first of all, let's take an input as a float of we have to take input as a real number. So now let's define something else. Floor equals to integral of x. Similarly, we will define something called ceil, which we call as a which we print as output as a smallest integer greater than or equals to x on the second line. So now we have to take two scenarios. If x is greater than or equals to 0, because integral of x gives us on the integral value of the any float, and we will not get floor as the right option in the minus case. So let's consider x greater than 0. So we will define if x is integral, then it is for sure ceil becomes also equals to floor, because here we must get integral part of both the ceil and as well as we will get smallest integer greater than or equals to x and greater integer less than or equals to x same. So we will get the same output for both these ceil and floor if when x is integer, so we will get same answer for that. If this is not the case, if it's any point between two integers, then we have to define ceil something else called floor plus 1. So floor plus 1. Now we have to take the counterpart of it and define ceil becomes floor because it gives us minus 1.4. 1.5 gives us 1.5 gives us integral of uh, x, which is minus 1, which is ceil, because ceil is smallest integer greater than x, which is not a floor here. In this case, floor not becomes this, and we have to define floor for if x is uh, not equals to integral of x, then we should define floor as a ceil minus 1, which is integral of x minus 1. That's all. And now we have to print float floor as well as print the ceil as a output. Let's see if this code run. Let's write 4.5. We must get 4 and 5 as the, yeah, we got it. So let's check for minus 4.5. We must get answer as minus 5 and minus 4. So here we will use ceil becomes floor, because in this case ceil is actually gives us integral of x in the case of negative answer. So I hope you get some idea. So let's write integral of x as the input. We must get same answer for both the ceil and as well as floor. Yeah, we will get it. And if we write like in the positive case, we must get 4 and 4. So that's all for today. I hope you get some logic behind this solving this question. We solve just taking simple steps into that.